Ditch the gas and cut the grass. Tailor your turf with the unparalleled precision of the MJ503M Manual Reel Mower from Sunjo. Sunjo's completely updated Grandpa's old grass cutter for the 21st century. Powered with a push, the revolutionary razor reel system is completely eco-friendly, cutting a 14-inch wide path in a single pass with no gas, oil, or electricity required. The 5 rotating steel blades ensure a crisp, clean cut with each pass for a picture-perfect lawn every time. Equipped with an all-terrain quad reel design, the no-frills people-powered push mower is easy to use, lightweight at less than 24 pounds, and maneuverable, all while providing a quiet, eco-friendly solution for any lawn. With the 9-position adjustable height control, you'll have the ultimate control to select the right height to suit your lawn and make your yard the envy of the entire neighborhood. And every MJ503M comes with Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty. So put power and precision at your fingertips. Pick the people-powered push mower and mow with Joe. MJ503M Manual Reel Mower from Sunjo. Get equipped.